Are you tired of your computer running slow? Today, we're comparing CCleaner and BleachBit to see which one helps clean up your system better. Both tools aim to free up space and improve your computer's performance. They help you remove junk files, clear caches, and manage your privacy. But how do they differ? Let's start with CCleaner. It's a popular choice and has been around for a long time. CCleaner is user friendly and offers a simple interface. It can clean temporary files, browser history, and even fix registry issues. Plus, it has a built-in tool for uninstalling programs. Now, let's look at Bleachbit. This tool is open source and completely free. Bleachbit also cleans junk files and protects your privacy. It offers advanced features like shading files and cleaning specific applications. It might not be as polished as CCleaner, but it's powerful and customizable. Now, what are the main differences? CCleaner is more intuitive, making it great for beginners. It also has a premium version with extra features. On the other hand, Blizzbit is free and open source, which appeals to users who prefer transparency and flexibility. When it comes to features, CCleaner offers more tools for system optimization. However, BleachBit provides a wider range of cleaning options for specific applications. If you want a simple cleanup tool, CCleaner is a solid choice. If you need more control and customization, go with BleachBit. In terms of pricing, CCleaner has a free version, but its premium features come at a cost. BleachBit, however, is entirely free. So, which one should you choose? If you're new to cleaning tools and want something easy to use, CCleaner is for you. If you're tech savvy and want a powerful, no cost option, try BleachBit. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.